audience. Today, we the students of class 11C are going to present a play which highlights the importance of dignity of labor in the wake of innovation. I hope that you will enjoy our special assembly.
When people talk about innovation, they usually mean new or improved technology, while technology usually forms the foundation of the innovation. One crucial factor, namely the human factor, is poorly understood in the overall equation.
The world is changing in fast, unprecedented ways, but one thing remains certain. As businesses look forward to lessons learned in recent months and to make the enterprise resilient for future, they are due even for more transformation. As such, most organizations are voraciously evaluating the previous and future technologies to see if they will be able to deliver that innovation at the scale that they'll need to survive and thrive in future. However, technology should not be central to these transformations. People should be.
At the present rate of technological innovations, one would assume that the world is fast approaching a utopian state. By 2030, we could be living in a world where almost everything is of high, intelligent automation.
And yet, here we are, facing many of the same problems of the previous centuries, like food shortages, competition for natural resources, inefficient resource distribution, destruction of the environment, social instability, wealth inequality, lack of education, lack of social mobility, and lack of communication. All of this at a time when we as a species are more connected to one another and are most technologically advanced.
As the front line of any organization, humans must be the ones driving the technology, assessing the value of the technologies being introduced and deployed to ensure long-term success and effective change. Companies that place humans at the center while leveraging technology at speed and enabling innovation at scale accelerate the value they create in the long term while making strides to reframe and thrive in the future. So, how do you build a human enterprise?
Scene 1.
Hi Bhavya.
Why are you looking so upset?
My office
Office hours are miserable. We have to work for additional working hours and are not even paid for it. And I'm scared of the fact that I might lose my job because nowadays most of the work is performed by machinery.
But I think machines are way better and efficient than labor in completing tasks.
Have you forgotten the time when labor mattered more than these mere machines? Innovation used to take place in those times as well. Let me take you back to the time where technology was not as important as labor's dignity.
There's a good news for all of you. We got another contract at a fairly good profit. The stock we shipped this week has been highly appreciated by all, and there is a great demand for our products. This could not have been possible without all of you. Thank you. This month I'll be paying you extra as incentive, and by the end of the year we'll increase your salary by 15%.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Wow Bhavya, the cordial relation between the laborers and their boss was so amazing. They were working so efficiently together.
I know. Now let me show you the scenario at my workplace.
I got this expensive machine so that you can finish your work efficiently. But you are so lazy and inefficient. I'm the one who has to suffer because of you. If I incur losses, I'll make sure to compensate for it by deducting it from your salary.
Sir, I don't know how to operate this machine, but I can do the same work using my hands.
Ramya, if you don't know how to operate these machines, then you're fired. I don't want such unskilled people working for me.
Now I realize, Bhavya, your boss is actually harshly mistreating with the laborers. With the emergence of new technology, we forgot that innovation is not just about technology. Technology should remove friction and allow people to do their jobs while enabling speed and agility. This means ensuring a culture of connectivity where there is trust, free flowing ideation, and the ability to collaborate seamlessly.
Ultimately, the benchmark for successful technology comes down to whether it's helping a human organization do what they need to do. Business that want to continue to deliver value and help ensure enterprise resilience in this time of rapid change should aim to become human enterprises, putting humans and their needs at the center of their strategies, value, processes, and operations, with technology serving as an enabler rather than a driver of change.
Yes, you are right. Abraham Lincoln rightly said, and I quote, labor is prior to and independent of capital. Capital is the only fruit of labor and could have never been existed if labor did not exist first. Labor is superior to capital and deserves much the higher consideration.